In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase performance for Steam Link Remote Play. If you've ever experienced any lag or interruptions while using Steam Link, this guide will help you optimize the performance for a smoother gaming experience. Let's dive in and watch how easy it is to enhance your gameplay, all in just under 5 minutes. First, open your Steam app on your device. If you haven't already done this, it's as simple as finding the Steam icon and giving it a click. Once you're in, you'll need to log in, so go ahead and click on the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the app interface. You'll see a prompt that asks for your account credentials. Enter your account name and password in the respective fields. Always ensure your credentials are kept secure and private. After you've input your details, click on sign in to access your account. Now that you're in, it's time to tweak some settings. Head over to the settings menu within the Steam app. You can usually find this by clicking on the Steam option in the top left corner and then selecting settings from the drop down menu. Once the settings window opens, direct your attention to the remote play option. Click on that to open the remote play settings. Within the remote play settings, look for the option that says allow direct connection and make sure it's set to automatic enabled. This allows your device to establish direct connections, which can enhance streaming performance by reducing latency. Next, be sure to enable advanced host options. By turning this on, you unlock more capabilities to fine-tune your connection. Now let's talk about encoding. Make sure to enable hardware encoding. This allows your device to use its hardware resources more efficiently, which can significantly improve streaming quality. While you're here, you should also turn on the option to prioritize network traffic. Doing so will help ensure that Steam Link is given priority on your network, minimizing interruptions during your gaming sessions. Next, under the advanced client options, set the video quality to fast. This may reduce some visual fidelity, but will provide a smoother streaming experience, especially if you're experiencing any lag. Then adjust the bandwidth limit. You can set it to unlimited if you have a strong and stable internet connection, or choose a preferred bandwidth fitting your network condition. Don't forget to set the resolution limit to automatic to maximize the available performance based on what your connection can handle. Finally, be sure to turn on hardware decoding on your client device. If everything has been set correctly, you should be ready to enjoy an optimized Steam Link experience. So there you go, just a few adjustments and you'll have your setup running smoothly in no time. Enjoy your gaming.